today, simplifying square roots. This is going to be pretty important in our lesson today. This part of it that I'm asking you to do in the bell ringer is actually a review. You should have picked this up in Algebra 1 and Geometry. I want you to simplify the square root of 8, but I want you to leave your answer in simplest radical form. That means your answer is still going to have a square root symbol in it. So if you just hit square root of 8 in your calculator and give me the decimal equivalent, that'll be wrong. That's not what I'm looking for. Simplest radical form means just break this down. Leave the square root symbol in your answer. Alright, so if I want to leave this in radical form, what I'm looking for is what is the biggest perfect square that will go evenly into 8, okay? Or even is 8 a perfect square? So to check this, I'm going to run through a few perfect squares with you. 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. That's enough. I don't need to list any more because 9 is bigger than 8. I'm looking for it to go into 8, so it's got to be smaller than 8, so it's got to be one of these. 1 will go into everything, so that doesn't really help me. So my question is, will 4 go into 8? Yes. 4 will go into 8 2 times. So the square root of 8 is the same as the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. Now, what was the whole point in that? Well, 4 is a perfect square. What's the square root of 4? 2. So this is going to be the same as 2. Square root of 4 simplifies to 2. Square root of 2 cannot simplify. 2 is just 2 times 1, and that doesn't break down any. So square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 2 stays square root of 2. So square root of 8 is the same as 2 square root of 2.